Have you been advised by Customs and Border Protection that you are inadmissible to the U.S. and require a waiver to enter? You may be deemed inadmissible if you have a prior criminal record from anywhere in the world. If you have a record for a drug offense, assault, or even theft, you may require a waiver to enter the U.S. These offenses are often known as crimes involving moral turpitude and are serious enough to keep you outside of the country. Variety immigration law can help you determine whether your criminal offense will deem you inadmissible to the U.S. My team consists of former immigration officers and lawyers. We know the law, the nuances, and its exceptions. What exactly is a waiver? A waiver is a document issued by the government to enter the U.S. when you are otherwise unable to due to your past criminal record. You may be required to apply for a waiver even if that record is very old and even if it has been pardoned by your government. Unfortunately, the U.S. government does not recognize foreign pardons, and oftentimes our Canadian clients believe that their foreign pardons negate the need for a waiver. This is simply not true. It's critical to prepare a waiver application carefully. Don't be fooled by the forms that the government has handed to you at the border. A waiver application is much more than a few forms. Errors on these forms can result in processing delays and even outright denials. We prepare dozens of these applications every year and enjoy a high approval rating. The processing times for a waiver can be very lengthy, sometimes up to a year. During this time, you cannot enter the U.S. for any reason until the waiver is approved, so be sure to plan ahead. Also, there's no such thing as a permanent waiver. Rather, the government will issue a waiver for a 1 to 5 year period depending on the circumstances of your case. You must continue to renew the waiver time and time again. Call us today for a free assessment of your case. We can tell you very quickly whether you need a waiver to enter the U.S. Don't delay. Plan ahead before you miss an important event in the United States. Let Variety Immigration Law help you cross the border with confidence.